Hello, hello, hello. Grand rising to all of my kings and queens, my gods and goddesses. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far. This is Goddess of Light Magee back to bring you another video. Today's video is a continuation of yesterday's video, Nature Chronicles, and this is day 3. Okay, you guys, make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button as you come into the room. And for those of you that are new subscribers to my channel, make sure you hit the notification bell twice. That way, whenever I go live or whatever I do on my channel, you will be here for it. Okay, you guys, I am once again sitting in my backyard enjoying my coffee this morning and listening to the beautiful sounds of nature. And I have watched the sun come up, and I have a nice cool breeze going on out here this morning, and I am really enjoying it, you guys. I hope you can hear the birds chirping, and maybe a few crickets are doing their little thing right now. Hopefully you guys can hear it. My air conditioner unit is going also, so I hope it's not drowning out the sounds of nature. You guys, I was just sitting here thinking this morning, they say there's nothing in life that's free, or nothing in life is free. I beg to differ. I am sitting out here right now looking at the grass in the field blow ever so slowly and freely. I am looking at the trees that are past the grass in like a field, and the limbs are blowing oh ever so freely. I have the sun to my left, and I have the sounds of birds and crickets, and there's little ants and little spiders and little bees getting on my flowers. I guess the bees are getting the pollen out of the flower blossom, and all of that is free. I'm not paying for any of that. I'm not paying for it. I'm sitting here and I am enjoying this, and it has been given to me freely from Mother Earth, okay? From the universe. So there are things in life that are free, and you can just sit and enjoy, gazing at nature, enjoying the beautiful sounds alone, or you can sit out and enjoy and just meditate to it. And or you might want to have a friend to uh, sit out with you, or your family, take them on like a nature walk or something. All of that is free. So why don't you try it sometime? Just step outside your door, your front door or your back door. Even if you live in the city and you don't hear the sounds of crickets, I'm sure you will hear the birds chirping, and you can see the insects and maybe a few squirrels or whatever, butterflies or bees or whatever, passing by. So I was just thinking, um, that there are things in life that are free, and we can just enjoy those things. I do have my day planned out, you guys. I am going to be doing a good deed today. I am going to be helping an elderly guy take care of his business today. And I like, volunteering my time and, doing things for others, spreading positive energy to others, and, consuming positive energy uh, into myself. And, when we do good things, we know good things will come to us. So I speak a lot about negative and positive energy. Negative energy is not good on our mind, body, soul, or spirit. Okay, negative energy can cause you, health problems, depression, um, so many different things that are not good for you. So I would say, when you find yourself going into a negative energy field, just try to snap out of it and, think of something positive or do something positive, and it will make your whole being uh, feel better. Okay? All right, you guys, I am just sitting here. I was out here this morning about 5:30. The sun hadn't come up yet, but I could see it peeping through the clouds. So I was right here when the sun came up to my left, and I am just enjoying nature. So right here, I'm going to let you guys go ahead and listen to the sounds. This is Nature Chronicles Day 3. Enjoy. Okay, you guys, I hope you all are able to hear. I was just sitting here meditating and listening to the sounds of nature. I hope you guys can hear. This is where I get my energy from, my stamina, my positivity. This is where I get it all from. I come out in the morning and I soak up the sun and I just observe nature and I relax my mind. And the rest of my day, I take deep breaths or whatever, meditate, and the rest of my day goes smoothly. Okay. Okay, you guys, I am going to end it here. Make sure you go out and make it a great day. Have a good day today. Enjoy your day.